Hi, I'm Federico from PR Rubino, and today I want to talk to you about LISTECH listels without support for conveyor belts and tooth belts. Unlike the classic listels that are traditionally welded at a high frequency, the LISTECH products are polyurethane profiles with a section that is either rectangular or moulded as per the design without a welding base. The LISTECH products can only be used on belts with a polyurethane cover, and you have the option of welding them to belts that are fitted with a Series K and EasyWeld anti-slippage guides and the synchronous sharp drive guides. Lack of welding base allows for the winding of rolls with reduced diameters, maximum customization of the listel as per the tailored design. Made of a thermoplastic polymer, and so optimal welding is guaranteed across the entire surface in contact with the belt. In the food version, the products are made with polymers that are suitable for direct contact with food to ensure optimal hygiene conditions in the food and pharmaceutical sector. Use the LISTECH products on belts fitted with synchronous sharp drive guides to allow for a high precision conveying system without slippages to ensure the transported product is positioned accurately. It can be supplied in the following colours: white, both for the food and no food versions, blue, black, yellow. LISTECH products are used in the food sector to transport loose products, in the robotics sector for service robots, for the transverse or evacuation of products, or in the presence of pick and place systems. For more information, please visit our website prrubino.it. Thank you and see you soon.